Hello everybody, Robert Lesko, inventor of the Lesko multi-rule and the Lesko Ferrule tubes. Coming to you from my shop today, so there's some traffic noise. I hope you can get past that. But what we have here is a Fender Mod Shop guitar. Actually came in yesterday, brand spanking new. And I'm gonna do an installation video on the Ferrule tubes. And as I was taking off the bridge saddles, I saw something that's pretty interesting. I was talking in one of my other videos how the strings get hung up on the bottom of the bridge. Now, I hope you can see this, but there's kind of globs of dried paint in the string holes. Now, I wouldn't get down on Fender too much. This is a greatly built guitar. I loved it, had trouble setting it down, and they drilled the holes before the paint for many reasons, so it's probably just something that slipped through. But that's something your string can get hooked up on too, so we'll clean that out later. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the bridge plate, I'm going to remove the pick guard and the neck, so when I install the tubes I have a nice flat surface for the drill bit to follow the holes down. So this is going to be multiple part instructional video because I'm not a videographer. I don't know anything about editing, so check out for, look for part 2 soon. I'll be right back.